also known as Mexican walking fish, are fascinating creatures that have captivated scientists and pet enthusiasts alike. Here's an in-depth exploration of these unique animals, covering their biology, habitat, behavior, and conservation status. Axolotls, Ambystoma mexicanum, are a type of neotenic salamander native to Mexico. Unlike most amphibians, axolotls retain their larval features throughout their lives, a condition known as neoteny. This unique characteristic, along with their regenerative abilities, has made them a subject of scientific research and popular exotic pets. Axolotls are easily recognizable by their distinctive appearance. They possess a broad, flat head with lidless eyes, fringed external gills that protrude from the sides of their head, and a dorsal fin extending from behind their head to the tip of their tail. They can come in various colors, including wild type, dark with speckles, leucistic, pale pink with red gills, albino, and melanoid, all black. Typically, axolotls grow to about 9 to 12 inches, 23 to 30 centimeters in length. In captivity, they can live up to 15 years with proper care, although their lifespan in the wild is often shorter due to environmental pressures. Axolotls are native to a high-altitude region in central Mexico, particularly to Lake Xochimilco and its surrounding canals. These freshwater habitats are characterized by clear, cold water and abundant vegetation. Unfortunately, due to urbanization, pollution, and water diversion, their natural habitat has been significantly reduced. In the wild, axolotls are carnivorous, feeding on small fish, worms, insects, and other small aquatic creatures. They are opportunistic feeders, using their keen sense of smell to locate prey in the murky waters of their native habitat. In captivity, they are commonly fed a diet of bloodworms, brine shrimp, and commercial pellets designed for carnivorous fish. Axolotls reach sexual maturity at around 18 months. During courtship, the male axolotl deposits spermatophores, sperm packets, which the female then takes up to fertilize her eggs. She can lay between 300 and 1,000 eggs, which she attaches to plants or other substrates in the water. The eggs hatch in about 2 weeks, and the larvae are independent from birth. One of the most intriguing aspects of axolotls is their neoteny. Unlike other amphibians that undergo metamorphosis to develop adult characteristics, axolotls retain their larval features, such as gills and an aquatic lifestyle, throughout their lives. However, they can be induced to undergo metamorphosis into a terrestrial form by manipulating their environment or through hormonal treatment, although this is not commonly done due to the stress and reduced lifespan associated with the process. Axolotls are renowned for their incredible regenerative capabilities. They can regenerate entire limbs, spinal cord, heart tissue, and even parts of their brain without scarring. This ability has made them a valuable model organism in scientific research, particularly in the fields of regenerative medicine and developmental biology. Axolotls are listed as critically endangered in the wild by the International Union for Conservation of Nature, IUCN. Their population has been drastically reduced due to habitat destruction, pollution, and the introduction of invasive species such as tilapia and perch, which prey on axolotl eggs and larvae. Conservation efforts are underway to preserve their natural habitat and to breed axolotls in captivity for reintroduction into the wild. Axolotls hold a significant place in Mexican culture and mythology. In Aztec mythology, the axolotl is associated with the god Xolotl, who transformed into an axolotl to avoid being sacrificed. Today, the axolotl is an important cultural symbol and is featured in various forms of art and literature. Due to their unique regenerative properties and ease of care, axolotls have been extensively used in scientific research. They serve as a model organism for studying tissue regeneration, limb development, and the effects of genetic mutations. Research on axolotls has provided insights into the potential for regenerative therapies in humans. Axolotls are popular exotic pets due to their distinctive appearance and relative ease of care. However, they have specific requirements that must be met to ensure their health and well-being. Axolotls require a spacious tank with a minimum size of 20 gallons for one adult. The tank should have a secure lid to prevent escapes, as axolotls can be surprisingly good at jumping. They prefer cool water, with an ideal temperature range of 60 to 64 degrees Fahrenheit, 16 to 18 degrees Celsius. A gentle filtration system is necessary to maintain water quality, but strong currents should be avoided as they can stress the axolotl. Choosing the right substrate is crucial for axolotls, as they can ingest loose materials leading to impaction. Fine sand or a bare-bottom tank is recommended. Decorations should include hiding places such as caves or PVC pipes, as axolotls like to hide during the day. Axolotls should be fed a varied diet to ensure they receive all necessary nutrients. In addition to commercial pellets, they can be offered earthworms, bloodworms, and other appropriate live or frozen foods. Feeding should be done 2 to 3 times a week, with uneaten food removed to maintain water quality. While generally hardy, axolotls can be susceptible to various health issues if their environment is not properly maintained. Fungal infections often manifest as white, cottony growths on the skin or gills, typically caused by poor water quality or stress. Bacterial infections can result from injuries or poor water conditions, leading to redness, swelling, and lethargy. Impaction occurs when an axolotl ingests substrate or large food items, causing a blockage in their digestive system. Metabolic bone disease, resulting from a lack of calcium or improper lighting, leading to weakened bones and deformities. Maintaining optimal water conditions, providing a balanced diet, and regularly monitoring your axolotl for signs of illness are crucial steps in preventing health issues. Quarantining new tank mates and avoiding sharp decorations can also reduce the risk of injury and infection. Breeding axolotls in captivity can be a rewarding experience, but requires careful planning and preparation. A separate breeding tank with clean water and appropriate hiding places for the female to lay her eggs is essential. After the eggs are laid, they should be moved to a separate tank to hatch, as adult axolotls may eat the eggs.